Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Ortega, and I am an associate professor and an extension specialist with the Cooperative Extension at Virginia State University. And what I do is I actually teach marketing, and so especially farm marketing.
My name is Kyla. I am a senior mass communications major from King George, Virginia. I work for Dr. Nartea as the lead coordinator for the volunteers at the Farmers Market. I am the president and founder of the Girls That Get It, which is a spiritual organization for Black women at the collegiate level. And then I also serve as the Department of Student Activities Black 82 intern for the academic school year. I really love the Farmers Market idea. I had the idea to do something like this for Black 82, but this was already put into motion. So I kind of jumped on the opportunity when I met with Dr. Nartea to lead the volunteers and get people to come out and just experience such an amazing event.
This started off as a pilot project with USDA and AMS, and then we were able to take it and expand it, and so now we're moving into having this farmers market 3 times in the fall and 3 times in the spring for our campus, for both our students as well as for our faculty and staff across campus.
So if you would take a spin around at this market, you can actually see real farms that we at Virginia State University have taught over the years from the very beginning. In fact, there are even some of the farmers that have attended some of the classes through Cooperative Extension, and it's called the VSU Small Farm Outreach. These farmers learn from the ground up how to do what they dream of doing, being a successful farmer. So some of them that are here, this is their very first market to present at, and so it's been an exciting journey for me as a professor, as an extension specialist,